What is up, guys? I'm here. I am done with today's 2 hours workout, guys. Any question? Let me know. I know one of my friend required me wanna cool. Can you talk a bit about Uyghurs? Today's happened Uyghurs related issue and events. Yeah, I wish I can explain well. There's a lot of evidence. If I only talk, I wish it's good enough, but every day when I open my YouTube or like Facebook, these days the most message I receive and the most related video is about forced marriage. First, Uyghur girls are marrying to ugly ass Chinese guy. To be honest, I was studied in Chinese school and lived in East Turkestan, west part of China for 25 years. I never see single Uyghur married with Han Chinese people. There's a lot of reason why. Not because of like there's a who is racist, blah blah. We just don't like each other, especially Uyghurs. How one invader and one is victim can be live under one roof together, right? And we eat certain food in the world, certain, like there's a lot of meat, and we eat 5% of the meat, and we have certain rules to slaughter it and eat. But the another Han Chinese eat whatever you want, right? That's why you got pig flu. That's why you got bat virus, right? We as a nomadic people, we're handling with animals alive a lot every day, but we never got any animal plague in our entire history. But those are the monsters. They keep spreading virus plague like that, so we don't like them. So we never have intermarriage with those monsters. And you know, Chinese man and Uyghur man is uncomparable. No matter from the body, no matter from the spirit, mental, they grew up in totally different environments, so we totally different with Chinese Han people. So Uyghur girls know about that, so they never willing to marry Chinese Han unless they have a life threat, unless they got raped. For some reason we still religious, you know, we kind of take care of our first man. First man is very important, so some guys rape them and then they have to marry them. That's their mentality. A lot of countryside Uyghurs still that mind. That's what I believe, how those ugly ass Chinese marrying those Uyghur girls. That's why. Okay, if you guys, let me tell you, those Chinese who marrying Uyghur girls nowadays, if you guys have a love, you guys really love each other, okay, bless you. You're my boss, you're my brother, I respect. I can't believe that, but you're my boss. But one day, if we investigated and if we checked, if we figured out that's a forced marriage, that's a marriage after rape, then we will talk to you differently in the future. Remember this word Chinese, invader Chinese, who invaded our land and raping our daughters. Remember my word. One day, you will answer our question, how it happened. Yeah. Okay, if you want to laugh, laugh now. Because you cannot laugh too much. Trust me. And second thing, the most recent situation of Uyghurs is every single Uyghurs now got locked up. Not in concentration camp, in their own home. In their own home, yes, your own home, like my home, this is my home, right? This is my house, right? Chinese communists come to my house and seal my door. If I escape, if I open the door, if I open my own door, I gonna have trouble. I gonna send it to the concentration camp. I gonna get to organ harvested. That's how the situation of Uyghurs right now. Somebody asked me about that. That's why I'm answering. Yes, and a lot of people starving in their home. A lot of kids starving in their own house, own land, own country, which invaded by Chinese Communist Party. They putting us in the hell, worse than the hell. This should be end. Those Uyghur organizations, those Uyghur leaders, speak out. Speak out about the latest Uyghur situation, not fucking concentration camp anymore. Those are the past. After mainstream already talk about that, so you don't need to talk anymore. Just update the situation of what's going on to the Uyghur, please. You are the leaders of Uyghur, so speak up. Speak out. Okay? And the mainstream media, keep going. Boycott made in China. Boycott made by slaves. Do not purchase anything made in China. You see, I am jumping, roll jumping without rope. Because I checked Amazon, I don't know which one is made in China, so I am still searching those made not in China fitness equipment. That's why you're not gonna die without made in China, guys. So boycott made in China, boycott made by slave, please. That's what I want from you guys. This is the latest Uyghur situation update today, August 21st, 2020. It's very sad. I don't know how many Uyghurs left in my home, in my country. We was the majority before, now we become minority of China. Now we become almost like a Native American. That's what the China always say. Oh yeah, America also killed a lot of Native Americans, so we do. So we can do that same thing. That's what their mentality is. They don't compare some good things, but they always mention what the other evil did. Oh yeah, Stalin killed this. Oh, Hitler did that. Hitler also locked up a lot of people in the concentration camp, so we can. Okay, you're gonna end very sad, worse than Hitler and Stalin, trust me. Okay guys, I'm super tired, I'm sweating. I just finished my 2 hours workout. I mean, not supposed to call workout, it's just the fitness, okay guys? Just want more cardio, burn more fat. That's the latest situation of Uyghurs. Please stay tuned on what's happening to Uyghurs. Let me know if you have any question, and don't forget, please subscribe my channel. Let it reach extra 2,000 people. Like button also important, guys. When I get the 6,000 like button on this video, I will give away hats, UyghurMan hats. Okay, I have a lot of UyghurMan hats like this. I will give away one for the lucky guys. All right, thanks for you guys watching, and I will see you next time. Boop.